The Public Auditor Special Prosecutor says former Attorney General, now fugitive Ed Buckingham, must be extradited to the CNMI. In a letter to Governor Fithiel today, OPA attorney George Hasselbeck says that in his opinion, the ends of justice require the arrest and return of Buckingham to the Commonwealth to face trial. Hasselbeck formally asked the governor to sign a warrant for Buckingham's extradition. The former AG is currently believed to be in Iowa. The extradition recommendation comes 3 days ahead of the deadline requested by Attorney General J.P. St. Nicholas, who appointed Hasselbeck special prosecutor specifically for the extradition matter. St. Nicholas recused both himself and his office from making the determination after finding that potential conflicts of interest existed. Hasselbeck is currently prosecuting Buckingham on 12 criminal counts, including 2 felonies. The charges range from misconduct in public office and misuse of government resources to theft of services and obstruction of justice. The former AG left the CNMI on August 4th, just hours after OPA filed criminal charges against him. Judge David Wiseman declared him a fugitive of justice days later, which the CNMI Supreme Court affirmed twice. In his letter to Fithiel, Hasselbeck notes that both the Superior and Supreme Courts have recognized that Buckingham left the CNMI with full knowledge of the charges against him. And Hasselbeck writes, quote, "Considering the seriousness of the charges pending against Buckingham, coupled with the fact that he occupied a significant position of public trust, the successful prosecution of this case should be a priority," end quote. KSPN tried to reach Hasselbeck for an interview today, but we were not successful.
We also tried to reach the administration for comment, but were unsuccessful. However, in a phone interview, incoming Speaker of the House, Representative Joseph Guerrero, says the governor should be conflicted out.
He disagreed with OPA's report regarding Buckingham. Second of all, he, we have reason to believe that he was the one that instructed Buckingham to get on that flight. And I think he went one step further and even provided the guards to make sure he got on that flight. So everything, points to the governor with regards to Buckingham leaving. I don't really have any high hopes that the governor would concur with that recommendation. If he does, great. But if he doesn't, it's very clear, it's very obvious that I think he should recuse himself and perhaps have the lieutenant governor make that decision.